On our way to Solea, because we're gonna go and meet his family.
Hello, asa na mo pa?
Hello! Subscribe to my channel! Link down below. Okay, we're just gonna stay in the beach because daghan tao sa pool.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, so hot. So, 2,500 for 2 people and you have 1,000 food consumable. But like, you can't use it for buffet. So the kayaks here are 300 pesos per hour. So that's Ayan's dad. That's Angel's boyfriend. And that's Ayan's mom. Mom. And this is Angel. No, just mabaw. So his parents want him to drive because they trust him though. They don't trust themselves alone. It's so deep by out here. It's like sand. It's like the shore and then it's deep na there. And then it gets mabaw again and then deep na sad. God bless. Kusgar, Ryle. Where is this guy going?
2 seconds later.
Today we are at Solea.
That's open. May sakit to.
A few inches later.
This is where the bouncy was. Ila yung ikuan ng tubig.
Let's see.
We have the place to ourselves. Because of course this is our house. Thanks for this house. I know you worked really hard. We got one Hawaiian pizza, chicken, fried rice, pancit, spaghetti, seafood, chicken and another pizza. Balik. They closed this pool. It was so full kanina. It's 4:40 p.m. and we're leaving because I don't know. What am I gibuhat? The day use is from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. So yeah, sakto reset. 5 p.m. So if you enjoyed, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Was that like Donald Duck?